Hey, how you doing? Charlie Winters here with Saturday evening, football. No, not football. Horse racing selections. So I'm stopping in tonight, not doing anything. So I've had a little bit of a bet. Nothing too fantastic, just a tenner. Saturday afternoon bet was going okay. It's gone a bit quiet now. I'm still hoping for Yorkstone to run well and come place and should do okay. I'm not going to even mention that I missed the first winner because I was late putting it on. But anyway, don't worry about that. I'll worry about that. So the selections are as follows. So I'm not going to go into a great deal at all. They are 50p each way singles and a 20 pence each way lucky 15. They are on Bet365. They all, three of the races out of the four are extra place races. They are all best odds guaranteed. So I've taken all the prices. So basically, it is a Mick Easterby lucky 15 and singles, each way singles as well. Each way lucky 15 and singles. I think they've all got chances. I looked to see how many horses he's got, and I thought jackpot. He's got four. I'm gonna have all four. So all four to me look like sand horses, purposely running on the sand because that's where they perform best. I've had a look at the horses, and they've all got angles where you can see a Mick Easterby. I won't say plot, but it's where the horses have underperformed at some point, but you can understand why, because a drop in trip or something like that, or a return to sand, having ran regularly on the turf. So I'm just going to spin through them, have a look for yourself, but these are my bets. So as I said, it's a 20 pence each way, lucky 15, 50p each way singles on all the selections, and it comes to a tenner. So the first selection, once again, is Yorkstone, 18 to 1 in the 3:45 at Southwell. This one needs to race prominently, and the easier lead or the slower the pace it gets when it's out in front, the better chance it's got. It stays further, so they don't want too much of a dawdle, but it wants enough so it's hard to pass, as in, like, it needs to be a sensible pace. Second selection is Ring of Gold at 15 to 2 in the 7:15 at Southwell. The third selection is King of the Jungle at 9 to 1 in the 7:45 at Southwell. And then finally, Lauren's Dream at 11 to 2 in the 4:30 at Newcastle. So on Sunday, there will be horse racing and football selections, probably smaller stakes this time around. Got to start being a bit more sensible because it's a long time till payday. That's why. So those are the four selections. Fingers crossed that Yorkstone runs well for this bet and the previous bet. So I wish you the very best of luck. Charlie Winters, over and out. Cheers, mate.